All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, eliminate all power and turn the washing machine off at the wall. We'll need to access the inside, so remove the screws holding the lid in place and then lift the lid off. To remove the pressure switch, gently unclip it from the washing machine. You may need something flat if it's tight. Unclip the electrical connections by lifting the plastic tab up and pulling away, then remove the hose. With your new pressure switch, attach the hose at the bottom, reconnect the electrical connections and clip it back on the inside of the washing machine. Then put the washing machine lid back on and re-screw the screws back in. And then that's it, your new pressure switch is all set to go.